Hello, this is Joan of Art, and here's another weekend again. I'm making this video so as to document the fact that Pipo is missing. In Ilonggo, the Ilonggo word for that is nadula, lost. He is not here. Wala di siya. So I'm not sure whether I'd be sad or worried. So, but I feel sad na subuan ko. I feel, I'm not sure if I'd be worried, like magkabala ka, nagakabala ka. So that's the feeling of being worried. I'm worried. But my daughter said he'll be alright, he'll be back. So I'm just hoping that he's just around. It's a big place. It's wide. So he goes around. Actually, he's done it before. So he's been, probably visiting other places. There must have been a female. So yeah, I sure hope that it's a female that's attracted him to hang out someplace, somewhere. So I hope it's just that. Um, so yeah, nagapangabay lang ko. Nagapangabay. What's nagapangabay? No, it's not hoping. Nagapangabay is more like requesting or appealing. So it's not that, because this is not a call for finding people. And I don't even know, with the kind of environment that we are here, I'm not sure if anybody's, well, they're on Facebook, but not on the same, you know, circle, not your lost and found pet kind of thing on Facebook. So no, if I have to find him, I have to do that, like, just going around the neighborhood and asking. And I'm not sure if it's even effective to do that. So I'm just I'm just recording this just to mark this day that people's gone missing. So nadula siya, uh, just because he's not home. Wala di siya. Wala siya nakapuli. And I do hope that he'll be back. He'll be back na mapuli siya. Mapuli siya. He will come home. If not, I don't know. I don't know. I mean, that's what happened to Jaja. Remember, I had Jaja before, and I would also carry her, and we do our videos together. She was gone. And the way that she was gone was, I just heard from the boys here in the neighborhood that they saw a small white dog that fits the description of Jaja, and that little dog was run over by a truck. It's this kind of losing a dog that, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know, because I'm not sure if they're really gone, or most of my dogs have gone like that. They just disappear. They either run away, malayas, or they just don't come home. And then I just have this feeling that they're gone forever. And yeah, So I just hope Pipo is okay. I miss him. Naidlaw ko sa iya. I always look forward to weekends coming over here and finding him here, and we lie on uh, this papag, this bamboo bed, just being together, and he will comfort me, and his presence is really comforting. Well, I can go on and on talk about people, and I don't know. I really don't know. So I'm at a loss. Wala ako kabalo. Wala ako kabalo. But still hoping um naga how do you say it in Ilonggo? Naga asa. Naga nagaasa nga mabalik siya. Asa is hope. It's Tagalog. Not sure if it's really Ilonggo. Naga handom. Aspire. Handom is aspire. But yeah, we could use asa. So hoping that he'll be back. I hope he's back soon. People, this is for you. My heart goes out to you. I remember most of my dogs, they just go away. I've said this already, but maybe they just don't want me to cry for them. Like when I used to, my dog, it hurt me a lot before when I lost the dog. So I'll just talk about it later. For now, I'm still hoping that People is just there. It's already half a day. It's past noon and he hasn't come back. Usually he does. But I hope he's just there. So, yeah, this is Joan of Art, and thanks for watching. See you in our next video.